Can you guess what a 5,000 square foot brand new home cost in Mexico? We're going to take you on a tour and we'll give you the price at the end, but see if you can guess what it costs. Today we're going to take a look at a new house in a Privada here in San Luis Potosi called Alia Residencial. Here we're looking at the outside on the street. As you can see, this community is still under construction. Here you have parking for 2 cars, and yes, that is tile in the driveway. And next up, we will go ahead and head inside. Now, the first area after coming up the sets of stairs we're going to enter is the kitchen. And I have to say it's a beautiful kitchen. Nice big island, fully equipped as you can see, although this one is still under construction, so still some shelving needs to be put in the doors and things like that. We're going to head over to this other area now. And this is very interesting because it's an open area. Once I get the sliding glass door open, and it is open to the sky. Now, today happens to be a bright, sunshiny day, so there's a lot of natural light in there, but it might be kind of cool to check it out when it's raining. That might be pretty interesting to watch. We'll head back inside, take one last look, and then we are going to head down to the only bedroom that's on the first floor. And again, it's pretty good size. We're gonna go into the walk-in closet here and then into the full bathroom. And then we're gonna look up, and yes, this area is also open all the way up to, again, allow for a lot of natural light. And then we'll head back out. And now we'll head into this other bathroom, just a half bath, sink and toilet. You might consider actually putting some closet space back here in where all those cans are. For right now, I don't know if that's the final plan, but that's what I would do. And now we are going to head upstairs. And now we've arrived upstairs. We'll make a right-hand turn and head down to the hallway here. This little area here is what we commonly refer to as the TV room in Mexico. So you could certainly do that if you wanted. Next up, we're going to head into the first bedroom on the second floor. We'll take a look out the window up here, and this view will never be obstructed. The dirt area down below there's going to be some community space there, and then beyond that there's a road, and on the other side of the road there it's pretty steep, so there's nothing will be built in on that side of the road. And the houses that you see in the background, that's Lomas Technico. We are in Via Magna, and now we'll head into the bathroom for this bedroom. Again, it is a full bath. The shower is very good size, nicely tiled, including the walls, which is kind of nice. Sink, toilet there. And now we are going to head out, and we are going to head over into what is the master bedroom. Again, with the same view of the mountains, the San Miguelito Mountains there in the background. Again, that construction area will just be a community area there. Turn around, and we are going to head into the huge, and I mean huge, master closet. There will be some shelving in here. There will be a center island in here with electric and water. And now we'll head into the full bathroom, which again is pretty large. The funny thing is about these ladders that you see here, we see a lot of those in Mexico. Mexicans just take some spare wood and make a ladder out of them. Nice tall shower. Again, looking back at the homemade ladder, looking all the way up, lots of natural light again. Looking to your left, that's the bottom side of the top for the center island. And now we are going to head out, and then we are going to go back down the hallway and look at the third bedroom on this floor. Off to the right up here. Again, the bedroom is pretty good size. A lot of natural light coming in from the top. This bedroom also has a walk-in closet. We'll head over into, again, yet another full bathroom. Sink, toilet, shower. The shower is pretty good size. Again, a lot of natural light coming through there. And then now we're going to head back out. And we are going to go up to the third floor. And I think you'll just be totally amazed by what's up here. Now we're going to look out onto the utility area, which is located on the third floor. There's a water heater, yet another homemade ladder, a wash basin. Some people will put the washer and dryer units out here. We'll turn around. So this area is going to be a shower sauna area. It's not completely installed yet. The unit for the sauna is going to be right on the outside here. You can see the plumbing for it, but the unit is not there yet. And now we'll turn the camera around and just look at this amazing rooftop covered patio that you have, again with a spectacular view. These doors will open. You can go outside. You can set up a table and some chairs and just enjoy the sun if you want to. You could even maybe install a mini refrigerator out there. The rooftop patio up here is just awesome. So much space. And now we'll head back inside and take another look at the space on the rooftop patio. Again, a lot of it is covered. Makes it really nice. The sun is pretty intense here in the central highlands of Mexico. This is bedroom number 5. Window still waiting to be installed, obviously. There isn't an attached bathroom in this bedroom, but if you come back out here, there's a bathroom very nearby, and it is a full bathroom. Toilet, sink, shower. Now we are down in the common area of the complex. We're walking past the gym that's currently being installed. As we go farther down, it's a pretty good sized gym. I don't think all of the equipment is in there yet. And right after you walk past the gym, there's the pool area. Obviously, the pool is still under construction. There's a common area with some seating. There's even a place where you can do your dishes. Pretty nice area, all covered. And now we'll head back out. Next, we're coming up on the children's play area. Unfortunately, I exceed the maximum weight limit to go on the slide. And again, another beautiful view from the common area looking out over San Luis. So in Mexico, they measure square foot in a house differently. Basically, it's every covered space counts as square footage within the house, whereas in the United States, it's a little bit different. They just cover the living space. Are you ready for the cost? It's 6,500,000 pesos, about $384,000 US based on the current exchange rate, which is right around 17 to 1. This house is actually 5,005 square feet. The monthly maintenance fees here are 1,000 pesos per month, about 60 US dollars. And for that, you get access to everything, the gym, the pool area, and all of the other public places. The contact information will be in the description box below. Let us know what you thought of the house. If you like what we're doing, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel.